Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video I am going to talk about a clavicular fracture. But before discussing the clavicular fracture, I am going to discuss a little bit anatomy of the clavicle. So you can see over here, this is the clavicular bone, and you can see it is the S shape. So it has got the two ends. One is the medial end, the other is lateral end. The medial end is articulated with the manubrium of the sternum through the sternoclavicular joint, while the lateral end is articulated with the acromial process through a joint which is called the acromioclavicular joint. Now the medial end is also called the sternal end, and the lateral end is also called the acromial end. So the clavicle has got the shaft. This is the shaft of the clavicle, and the shaft is divided into two regions. One is the medial 2/3 and the other is lateral 1/3. So the medial 2/3 is also called the sternal region, while the lateral 1/3 is also called the acromial region.